Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to take one simple idea and turn it into 8 different types of content in just minutes. We're talking about a blog post, a news article, a long-form video, short video reels, a podcast episode, social media posts, an infographic, and even a flipbook. And then, with one click, publish everything across more than 300 websites and platforms. This is powered by AmpCast AI inside Amplifier. If you want organic traffic from search engines, social media, video platforms, podcasts, AI-generated answers, and news sites like Fox Affiliates and Google News, this walkthrough will show you exactly how it works. Let's jump in. What AmpCast AI does. AmpCast AI is a multi-channel content creation, repurposing, and distribution platform. You give it one topic about your business. It automatically transforms that topic into 8 content formats: video podcast interview, news-style article, blog post, infographic slideshow, or flipbook social posts. Short-form video reel. Then, it distributes that content across platforms like YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Pinterest, LinkedIn, partner news sites, blogs, and more, including major players like Fox Affiliates, Google News, Twitter/X, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Instead of using separate AI tools, video editors, podcast software, graphic design tools, and distribution services, everything happens inside one system. Create your AMP. Let's dive into the core of this demo. How do you take one idea and turn it into 8 content pieces across hundreds of platforms? We're in the Amplifier dashboard. To start, let's create a new AMP by clicking the Create AMP button. Next, choose an existing company or add a new one. You'll need to provide a short description, then click Next. Now, enter your AMP topic. The platform recommends using its built-in Headline Pig tool to find relevant topics. Once you find a topic you like, copy and paste it back into Amplifier. We'll also add a link to promote, like your website, and click Next. You can add a source link, for example, Amazon article, and then click Next again. You can choose to add an image, but let's skip that step. Now, click Generate Now, and the system will create content in various formats: video, podcast, article, a blog post, infographic, and more, all within 15 minutes. You can edit or publish them right away. Easy, right? News article. Let me take a moment to show you the quality of this content. For example, the news article is not only well-written, but it also includes real data drawn from scientific research, which adds credibility. There's a direct link to my website within the article, allowing for easy navigation. The formatting is clean, the content is well-researched, and it comes across as highly professional, giving your readers valuable, trustworthy information. Blog post. Now, let's move on to the blog post. This format has a slightly different structure. It kicks off with key takeaways, making it easy for readers to grasp the main points right from the start. The text is organized into short, digestible paragraphs with clear, well-defined headings. The blog post also includes relevant references to the sources we provided by ensuring that the information is both accurate and well-supported. The flow is smooth, making it very reader-friendly. Overall, this blog post is top-tier and crafted to keep your audience engaged. Podcast. Not everyone enjoys reading, though. Some people prefer to listen. That's where the podcast comes in. Let's download it and listen to the first few seconds to get a sense of the quality.
So here's a question. Have you ever felt like your business is ready to grow, but your software is holding you back? Today, we're digging into why custom web and mobile applications are absolutely critical for scaling. I'm here with a guest who's been working closely with businesses facing this exact challenge. Welcome.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, this is a topic that comes up constantly. You know, a lot of business owners think generic, off-the-shelf software will do the trick.
Wow, this is genuinely engaging. There are 2 pleasant voices speaking with a professional intro music setup. Honestly, if I didn't know better, I'd think these were real people speaking. The conversation flows smoothly, and it feels natural and engaging. For users who enjoy podcasts, this content will undoubtedly resonate with them. It's high quality and perfect for on-the-go listening. Slideshow. Next, we have the slideshow. Although I don't use slides too often in my own content, this is a great format if you want to visually present your product or share important information with potential clients. The layout is professional, utilizing high-quality photos, charts, and minimal text to keep things clean and easy to understand. The visuals enhance the message, and the design ensures that the audience can follow along effortlessly. It's a solid presentation format for any business or informational content. Video. Finally, let's talk about the video. This one includes both landscape and portrait versions, offering flexibility in how you present your content. The best part? You can jump between scenes and edit any of them if needed, ensuring that the video perfectly aligns with your vision. Whether you want to tweak the pacing, swap out scenes, or adjust the voiceover, the platform makes it easy for you to customize and create a polished final product. This video format offers a powerful way to capture your audience's attention, delivering your message with impact. Distribution to 300+ sites. This is where the real power happens. AmpCast AI doesn't just create content, it amplifies your authority. By publishing across more than 300 websites, platforms like Google, ChatGPT, and other AI-powered platforms cite your content, which drives both traffic and authority. Click Go to Publish. You'll see distribution options across YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Pinterest, LinkedIn, news partner sites, Fox affiliates, Google News, X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Review your settings carefully. When you click Publish, your content goes live across the network. Some platforms publish quickly. Others may go through editorial checks before appearing live. Within days, your content can be visible across dozens to hundreds of platforms, signaling authority to Google and driving traffic. Important notes. AmpCast AI is not designed for spam. You still make important decisions like choosing topics and reviewing final output. The current version is in live beta with new features added regularly. Improvements to video realism, voice options, AI avatars, and automated scene creation are continuously being rolled out. Consistency matters. The more high-quality campaigns you publish, the more organic traffic compounds over time. Outrow. That's the full workflow. One idea, 8 content formats, published across hundreds of platforms, all inside a single system. If you want sustainable organic traffic and not just short-term paid ad results, multicasting through AmpCast AI builds long-term digital assets for your business. This approach is proven to deliver 5 to 50 times return on content strategy, ROCS, and actually enhances your paid ad campaigns by increasing brand visibility and credibility. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for the next video where I'll break down how to choose high-converting topics that actually bring buyers, not just traffic. Thanks for watching.